Hey there, Salamalaykum. In the Ramadan special series at Hanalogs, I bring to you these simple yet extraordinary tortellini-like fritters that will surely bring you sheer joy. Stay tuned to know how I make these sweet little indulgences. So this recipe is extremely simple. There is no stuffing involved, so it's going to be done within no time. So I will quickly mix all the dry ingredients together to make a homogenized mixture, and then I will go about adding oil. It's a good practice to rub the oil into the flour first to make it all granulated before going about to add milk. So this looks pretty nice and soft. I'm gonna give it 15 to relax and settle. I love how I don't have to worry about it being a proper round shape, as I'm gonna cut it anyway into a square. These fritters are so easy to make, there is no stuffing involved, plus folding them is actually fun. Now comes my favorite part, and that is folding these squares into our desired shape. We fold these like how we fold the little tortellini pasta. It's pretty much a similar technique. And they're done. Don't these look really pretty like little rosebuds? So I'm gonna fry them in 2 batches. I'm gonna give each one roughly 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat, so they cook really well from inside and get that beautiful golden color on the outside. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Well, mine is not a food channel, and I offer a variety of videos that may interest a new mother or a homemaker. Do check my channel out and consider subscribing if this is your first time visiting my channel. Now for the golden glaze. To about 1/4 cup of sugar, I'm gonna add about half a cup of water, 2 pods of cardamom, a pinch of saffron. Give it 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium heat, and then it'll be done. Beautiful, isn't it? Don't they look like they're waiting for their moment of crowning glory? Yes, I'm gonna glaze them with this delicious gold syrup. And then treat them to a rain of toasted sesame seeds. This snack is sure to become your family favorite. Do try this and let me know in the comment section below how your family enjoyed having this. Would love to hear your experiences. Well, thank you so much for watching my video once again. I really hope you hit the like button. Well, until next time, this is me, Hannah, signing off. Stay extremely precautious, and I hope you stay safe.